guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're finally gonna get started on the Miata, and I think I'm starting with a really good mod. This mod is really important for like super old cars. So what I got is phase 2 Motor Trend hood dampers. They come in a little small box like this, and you know, once you open it, they have all the hardware that needs to be installed. They give you a pamphlet explaining how to, you know, install it. But for me, I've already watched a video on it, so I think I have a pretty good idea of how to install them. It's pretty straightforward, and this is what it looks like. And this is the packaging. You know, the packaging is pretty good. So I'm just gonna take it out. I've already taken them out before, so it'll be a little bit easier now to just kind of slide it out. You know, they come with these soft things that you're just supposed to pop out. So the other one I popped out, this one you just gotta do it like this. Easy peasy. This is all the hardware that it comes with. So these two go on the hood latch and they're marked left and right. We got some washers. These ones, they go on the fender, and then we got some bolts for that and some washers as well. So as you can see right now, it's being held by this old hood pin, latch, whatever you guys want to call it. And every time you want to work on your car, this thing is gonna get in your way. So we're just gonna get rid of this altogether and install the new dampers. So the engine bay is pretty dirty, still gotta clean it. I just didn't know where to start with this car because there's so much stuff to do. So to install the hood dampers, we gotta get rid of this bolt, and we gotta get rid of one of the pop bolts over here, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So to loosen this, we're gonna be using a 14mm socket. There we go. So we're gonna put the washer in first. Put this in. This one you can just use the factory bolt that we took off. So now we're going to be taking out this bolt with a 10mm. For a 30-year-old car, coming out pretty easy. So now that we have that out of the way, we're gonna install the two washers and the pivot nut that it comes with, and there should just be a bolt on. It's a little bit rusty. I'm gonna have to put some WD-40 on that. Let it sit for a little bit.
5 minutes later.
So this just goes in. Okay guys, so one side is installed. Now we have to do the other side. pretty sure it's secured. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how easy it is to open the hood. All you gotta do is pull this, come to the front, find the lock, and you just put it up. It goes up by itself, guys. And that's why we install this. So this is a really important mod for like older cars that still use the flimsy thingy. We can take this off now. I'll do it another day. So yeah, it was a pretty easy install. Gunu just came back from grocery shopping.
Yo, what's up?
With the moms. Now I'm gonna get your reaction. I just finished installing.
Alright. Cheese!
Sick, eh?
Yeah.
So much better now.
Way better. Oh, it just fit right there, right?
Yeah.
That screw came at 9?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's not even that bad. That's amazing.
It was pretty easy.
Yeah,
Pretty
it's not too
straightforward.
bad. Oh my god, now it feels like a brand new car.
Yeah, it's proper now.
Yeah,
And it
before it
fits.
was this freaking flimsy thing. Did you show
Yeah,
me?
that flimsy thing we gotta take out.
You had to like, oh, you put it back in the spot. It was out of the spot before.
It was already there.
Oh, was it? Oh, I'm stupid. Huh?
But yeah,
Secondary
how was
use.
it?
That's awesome, yeah. That's
Sick, eh?
awesome. Good shit, yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do have more mods coming for the Mazda Miata, and soon we're gonna get the exhaust leak fixed and we're gonna register the car and we're gonna be able to drive it. If you guys like the dampers on the Miata, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace!